Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Ripple is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. uh, Looking at this, the fibs, they can still be on the same spot. Nothing has changed too much. So I'm still using the high of February 15 of 2020 to March 13's low. So those fibs right there, we are having a little bit of a struggle at the 61% retracement. So the 25-cent level, I did talked on the last video that I wanted to see a little test of the 200-day moving average before I added to this position. We didn't get quite there yet. We didn't get there, so I don't think we're gonna get there right now. I mean, this is actually looking pretty bullish, and if you look at this, I typically don't like to look at this kind of pattern when we're kind of in the middle of the trend, but something to keep in mind, this looks like an inverted head and shoulders. So shoulder, head, shoulders, which your neckline, which I'm assuming that's why we're struggling at the 25-cent level, and then the target will be about 29 cents or so. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're gonna help out the channel to reach 7 billion people. I mean, we're here to help each other out. We post this video so you guys can gather some information and make the best decision in the crypto market so you can make some shackles. So I always said that if I learn how to make some shackles in the markets consistently for years, I was going to give back to the community, and here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world to make some shackles. So don't forget to pulverize that like button, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So that being said, guys, the target on this is 29 cents. Alts are starting to look bullish, so I don't see this, breaking below the 50% retracement of so the 22-cent level. Because if it was to pulling down, more likely the 200-day moving average will be right there, and that will be our line on the sand. If it would break below, then our next target is the 38% retracement, and more likely will be the retest of this trend line, which will probably be towards the 23% retracement, so 16 cents. I don't think we're gonna get quite there, so just something to keep in mind. And also we are holding above the 20-day moving average too, so our next target is 29 cents. From then on, I mean, right at the 34-cent mark, if we start breaking higher, then we can see definitely, all the way down to about 50 cents or so. I think that the 34-cent mark, this was looking like a double bottom. Now it doesn't look like anything really. I mean, this could be a shoulder, kind of messed up head, and then forming another shoulder maybe, so an inverted head and shoulders. We'll just have to wait and see how this plays out. I mean, something to keep in mind, but I don't think we're there. That's why this neckline, which was going to be the double bottom neckline, gets somewhat invalidated. I mean, ultimately our target, if we break this, the 34 cent will be at about 50 cents or so. So we just have to keep that in mind. I mean, we're not there yet, so our next target is 29 cents. I definitely think we're going to blast through this. If you were to place a position, I would place a position with a tie stop right now. I don't want to do anything. I want to see a break above the 61% retracement before doing anything. So that's kind of where I'm sitting at right now. And then once we hold above the 61% retracement, then if we break the 78% retracement, which is 29 cents, which more likely we will, we're going to encounter some resistance at about 32, almost 33 cents, and then big resistance at 34. So just keep that in mind, guys. By the way, if you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.